Good morning, this is Lady Flora. So I just did another all-nighter at work and I'm wearing kind of a warm sweatshirt not because it's cold out, but because my office is very, very cold. So I went in at midnight and I've been there all night, so if anything I say in this vlog makes sense, it'll be a miracle. But I wanted to talk a little bit about the day that is known in our culture as Easter. And it's a really cool day. It's actually one of my favorite holidays. It gets overlooked a lot because everybody loves Christmas and everybody loves Halloween. So Easter is just like, eh. But I love Easter. And some people call it Resurrection Day. And I think that's actually pretty cool and pretty appropriate. A lot of people celebrate Easter as a Christian holiday, which to Christians, it's a celebration of Christ's resurrection from the dead. And in nature, we see a constant cycle of death and resurrection and rebirth. And it's really amazing. It's an amazing concept that we see everywhere, not just in our lives, but in the seasons. We have our fall and winter, followed by spring, which is why, you know, Easter is so exciting because we're celebrating the renewal and the resurrection of all the plants that have been dormant and dead and seemingly in the grave all through winter, and spring is when they come back. So I'm pretty excited about Easter and being outside with family and friends and just hanging out. I'm a little tongue-tied this morning because of my lack of sleep. I was imagining that coming out much more eloquently, so hopefully you get what I'm saying. It's awesome. Also, tomorrow is my mom's birthday. Just so happens to fall on Easter this year, and I'm really excited about that. I'm going to be celebrating her birthday with her today, and I love my mom. My mom is awesome. So I'm really excited about celebrating her birthday. Yeah, so lots of good stuff in April. April is a happy month. Easter, Mom's birthday, and the Green Thumb Festival, which I'm very excited about. I actually took a day off of work so that I could go to the Green Thumb Festival, so hoping to bring you some videos from the Green Thumb Festival. Very excited about that. Yeah. Also have a little bit of work drama going on, which I'm excited to share about that with you too, but you're gonna have to wait until Monday. I think I'm gonna wait until Monday and share that with you. So kind of exciting, kind of cool. There's just butterflies everywhere. There's birds singing. I hope you can hear the birds singing. It's so beautiful. I keep seeing these butterflies that are like as big as birds, and they're like black and they're huge and they're just amazing. It's just so wonderful. I hope you have a very blessed day today and especially tomorrow. I make a vlog every day but Sunday, so I will see you Monday, but only if you subscribe. And in the meantime, go outside, breathe the fresh spring air, and have a sublime day.